Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a scalp scrub on myself, and I'm going to be using the Frank Body Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. I actually received this in a BoxyCharm. Honestly, I didn't really know what I wanted to film for the week. I wanted it to be spring themed kind of, but the weather's just not coordinating for that type of video where I am currently. And so I had to improvise, and this was my next choice. I feel like spring, especially me, I've gotten like really into cleaning and deep cleaning this spring and just kind of doing those chores that you never want to do but they need to be done. And so that's kind of what I feel like a scalp scrub is for me. It's something that I'm gonna benefit from. My scalp needs it. I should be doing it, but I just don't want to. I just hate doing it. It's just such a chore to me, and so I never get around to it, and I just never do it. So I am going to be doing this today on camera with y'all. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reagan. I would love if you joined my growing family here. I post new videos every Friday. Other than that, let's just get right into it. I have not used this product before. I've used other Frank Body products before and I have not been disappointed, so I'm not too worried about using this. It says on the bottle, wet and part hair, take a pea-sized amount of scrub and gently work into scalp. Continue to part and repeat until your scalp is covered. Lather and rinse. Follow with shampoo. So what I did is I just got in the shower and completely wet my hair. And I'm just gonna be working this into my scalp with this Goody Mosaic brush here. For sectioning and smoothing, it's kind of curved. The bristles on this thing are like so hard. And yeah, I think that will be really good to like scrub my scalp with and work up some of that like gross, dead, dirt, grossness on my head. So that's what I'm gonna be using this for as well. I'm just gonna rub this between my fingers, and I'm just gonna actually just put this right along that part in my hair. We're gonna start from the middle. And then I'm gonna take the brush and just work it in as I go. My hair is gonna look so gross after this. Okay guys, I look ridiculous. I feel like it's all crazy like this because of the brush and me like working it into my roots. I just feel like it kind of like teased it up, but I am feeling pretty good. It's been fairly easy to just use the end of this brush to part and then be able to apply as I go. I will say it is getting all over my hands and all over the bottle, all over the brush, which I don't really mind. I was kind of anticipating this because of what it is that I'm doing. I just knew that it would be kind of messier. Please don't judge my hair. Last time I got my roots filled, I just did a partial, and so when I lift up my head, there's so much dark roots, and that's exactly what I am dealing with in this video, is my roots right next to my scalp. And so I know that it looks bad, but it doesn't always look this bad is what I'm trying to say. Also, my hair is not clean. And so it's a little harder to work with, and I can feel that when I'm going through, just because it's already greasy and gross and dirty. And so I'm adding more product in it and mixing it all up, and you guys understand what I'm saying, right? We are gonna keep going. That was pretty easy doing the top. It's probably done to about here. I'm a little worried about the back sections. I'm just gonna section the back half vertically instead of sectioning it horizontally like I did here. I'm gonna go on and do the right side of my head. Also, one thing I wanted to say is this is scented mint. It's like that really clean mint, like the mint scent that's in tingly lip glosses that makes you feel like it's doing something. And I get the same effect with this. Like it smells like straight up mint, but I feel like it's working on my hair and scalp for something. I don't know. Maybe I'm just delusional and making this up in my head. Also, side note, all of these little white pieces that you see, the flakes in my hair, is not dead skin. It's from the scrub. The scrub actually has little like beads in it. I mean, some of it could be dirt, but not all of this is dirt and dead skin. Okay guys, this is where we are. I look like a crazy lady and my makeup's not done because I haven't gotten ready because I'm in a shower to get this all out. And so this is just a rough go for a video. I'm so sorry. I promise I usually look cuter than this. Okay, we're gonna start on the back pieces. I'm not quite sure how well I'm gonna be able to get it back there, but I'm gonna try my best and you can watch my attempts. And I'm just sectioning like this. So I'm taking my brush, pointing it downwards, and I'm just cutting straight downwards on my hair and separating side to side, creating a part down the center of my head back here. I separate the two parts. I'm gonna go in with the scrub. Right along that part, I'm going to work the product outwards on both sides of the part. And then I'm going to take my brush and I will be scrubbing outwards both ways as well. Okay, very lastly, I just ran a bunch of the products on my fingertips and ran them through my scalp and just really used my fingertips to press that in and scrub my scalp. My hair is looking very nice now. I am gonna go ahead, hop in the shower, do my normal shower routine, make sure and wash this out very well, and then I will be back after to show you the final result and let you know my thoughts on this product. Hi y'all, okay, I am back with the final product. This is my hair after I have rinsed out the scalp scrub. I just washed it out with my normal shampoo and conditioner. I did notice that it took a little extra effort to get all of the product out of there, but it was super easy to know when it was all the way out because, like I said before, it had the little like texturized crystal ball things in there, And so I could feel them against my scalp. And once they were all gone, I knew that it had been completely rinsed out. And then when I got out of the shower, I just used some detangling spray so I didn't rip my hair out trying to detangle it. And then I also just sprayed some sea salt spray in my hair just for some extra longevity to keep it clean, texturized, and voluminous. So that is all that I added to my hair today, and then I blow dried it. I usually just blow dry my hair on Cool Shot the whole time to avoid any excess damage that doesn't need to be done to my hair. Honestly, I feel like my hair feels clean, just like every other time I wash it. Nothing like out of the ordinary. It was easier to brush through my scalp, and even running my fingers through it here, I noticed that my scalp doesn't seem as tangly or as built up. It feels very nice and smooth and clean. So I do appreciate that. I do feel like my hair is a little bit heavier. It feels like it has a little bit of product in it, and my hair really absorbs products very easily and it gets greasy very fast. So I am interested to see how this wears with my hair as I go on the next couple days. The only other time I've done a scalp scrub, I did it with my mom, and it was a lot easier to do with 2 people. So I think if I were to do this again, I would make sure to have like a friend or my mom or my sister or someone there with me to get those hard to reach places and just to make sure everything is done evenly and nothing's missed. But other than that, I really did enjoy using the Frank Body Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. I'm excited to see what it does for my hair from here on out. Let me know in the comments below if you use this scalp scrub or if there is a different scalp scrub that you absolutely love. I'm not huge into these type of things. Like I said at the beginning, because I don't really have quite as much knowledge about this world of beauty as I do into other parts of it, but I still enjoyed doing this with you guys today. If you did like this video, make sure to leave a like. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, and other than that, I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.